My CFL bulb is damaged. I will try to repair it. As you can see, it's on turn on. Okay, let's open it. The circuit of this bulb looks fine. I think the fluorescent tube is damaged. So I will change it with another old bulb tube whose circuit was damaged. I will assemble the circuit with the newer tube. Let's see what happens. As you can see, now the bulb is fine. It works just great. You can repair any CFL bulb with this method. Sometimes the capacitor or other component blow up or get damaged. You just have to change them to work it again.